friends, how are you? Let's learn how to write the letters of the alphabet. Are you guys ready? All right. Well, first we're going to write the letter A. We're going to write an uppercase letter first. So in order to do that, we're going to start from the bottom and go up at a diagonal line. And then we'll come all the way back down to the bottom. And then we'll go to the middle and do a line straight across. Yay! We just wrote a capital A. Now let's learn how to write a lowercase a. And to do that, we're gonna go all the way around in a circle, but then come all the way back down just like that. Yay! You did it! You just learned how to write the letter A in the uppercase and lowercase. Now let's learn how to write the letter B. Are you guys ready? All right, we're gonna go straight down and then we're gonna go around to the middle and then around all the way to the bottom. We just wrote an uppercase B. Good job, guys. Now let's shake it out. Now let's write a lowercase b. And to do that, we're gonna start from the top, make a line all the way down to the bottom, and then from the middle, we're gonna go around all the way down to the bottom. Good job, guys. You just wrote a lowercase b. Now let's learn how to write the letter C. So to write the letter C, we're gonna start at the top and go all the way halfway to the bottom. And there we go. We just wrote an uppercase C. Good job, guys. Now to write a lowercase c, we're just gonna do it smaller. We're gonna start from the top and go all the way around to the bottom. Good job, guys. You just learned how to write the letter C. Now, let's shake it out and let's learn how to write the letter D. To write the letter D, we are going to start from the top and go all the way down to the bottom. And then start at the top again and go all the way around to the bottom. Yay! You did it! Now let's learn how to write a lowercase d. And to write a lowercase d, we're going to start from the top and go down to the bottom, and then start from the middle and go around to the bottom just like that. There we go. Good job, guys. You did it. You just wrote an uppercase and lowercase d. Good job. Now let's shake it out and let's learn how to write the letter E. To write an uppercase E, we're going to start from the top and go all the way down to the bottom. Then start from the top again, go across, make a straight line. Go to the middle and make a straight line, and then go to the bottom and make a straight line. And that's how you write an uppercase E. Good job, fantastic. Now let's learn how to write a lowercase e. We're gonna make a straight line and then go up and around all the way to the bottom, just like that. Fantastic. You guys are doing such a great job. I hope you guys are having fun. Now let's shake it out and we're gonna learn how to write the letter F. To write the letter F, we're gonna start at the top, go all the way down, start at the top again, go straight line, and then go to the middle and write a straight line. And there you go. You have a capital F. Now let's learn how to write a lowercase f. F, we're going to start at the top, go around all the way to the bottom, and do a straight line across the middle. And that's how you write a lowercase f. Fantastic job, guys. You guys are doing an awesome job. Now let's learn how to write the letter G. To write an uppercase G, we're going to start at the top. We're going to go around and make a half a circle. And then start in the middle, do a straight line across. And that's how you write an uppercase G. Awesome, guys. Let's shake it out. And now, let's learn how to make a lowercase g. We're going to go all the way around and make a circle. But then we're going to come right back around and go around across, just like that. You guys are doing such an amazing job. I am so proud of you. Now let's learn how to write the letter H. To write an uppercase H, we're going to start at the top and go all the way down. And then we go back up the top and go all the way down again. And then we go to the middle and make a straight line across. And we did it! Yay, guys! Good job. Now let's shake that out. And now let's write a lowercase h. Are you guys ready? All right, here we go. We're gonna start at the top, make a straight line down, and then from the middle, make a little curve all the way to the bottom. Good job, guys. You did it. I am so proud of you. Now let's learn how to write the letter I. To write an uppercase I, we're gonna start at the top and make a line across. And then we go to the bottom and make another line across. And then we go to the top and make a straight line down. Good job, guys. You did it. Now, let's shake that out and let's write a lowercase I. And to do that, we are going to start at the top and make a straight line down. And then we make a little dot at the top. And that's a lowercase I. You guys are doing fantastic. Now let's learn how to write the letter J. To write an uppercase J, we're going to start at the top and go down and then around. And then go back up to the top and make a straight line across, just like that. Good job, guys. Now let's shake that out and let's write a lowercase j. We're going to start at the top, go down, and then around. And then make a little circle at the top. And there you have it, guys. You guys just learned how to write the letter J. Awesome! Now let's shake that out. And let's keep going, okay? Let's learn how to write the letter K. To write an uppercase K, we are going to start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom, start at the top again at a diagonal line, go down, and then from the middle, go down. And that's how you write an uppercase K. Now let's write a lowercase k, and we're just going to do it a little bit smaller. Start at the top, go all the way down, and then at the top, we got a diagonal line, and then from the middle, we'll go down. And there you have it. You just wrote the letter K. Good job, guys. Now let's learn how to write the letter L. Now, to write the letter L, we are going to start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom, and then go straight across. And there you have it. That's an uppercase L. Good job, guys. Now let's shake that out. Shake, 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 shake. And let's learn how to write a lowercase L. And to write a lowercase L, you just start from the top and go all the way down. And that's it. So simple. You got this, guys. Now let's learn how to write the letter M. To write an uppercase M, we're actually going to start at the bottom. And we're going to go up straight to the top. And then go down to the bottom. And then go up again. And go all the way down to the bottom. Good job, guys. That was pretty cool. Let's shake this out now and let's learn how to write a lowercase m. So we're going to start from the bottom and we're going to go around halfway to the middle and go around again all the way to the bottom. And that's how you write a lowercase m. Fantastic job, guys. Now let's shake it out. And let's learn how to write the letter N. N, we're going to start at the bottom as well, just like the M. And we're going to go all the way up to the top. And we're going to go down. And then we're going to go back up again. Awesome, guys. You just learned how to write a uppercase N. Now let's learn how to write a lowercase n. This time we're going to start at the top and go all the way down. And then we're going back up to the top and go around to the bottom. And that's how you write a lowercase n. Fantastic, you guys. Now let's shake it out. And let's learn how to write the letter O. Now to write the letter O, it's pretty simple, just like a circle. So we're going to go all the way around in a circle. Really? And that's it, guys? Awesome. Now let's do it in a lowercase, okay? Now let's shake it out. Shake, shake, shake. And then we're going to start at the top and do like a little circle. And there we go. Fantastic, guys. You guys are doing an amazing job. Now let's learn how to write the letter P. To write the uppercase letter P, we'll start at the top and go all the way down to the bottom, go to the top again, and make a half a circle to the middle. And we just wrote an uppercase P. Awesome, guys. Now let's shake it out, shake, 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 and write a lowercase p. We're going to do the same. Start at the top, go all the way down to the bottom, and do a half circle to the middle. We're just doing it a little bit smaller. Awesome, guys. I am so proud of you. Now let's shake that out, and let's learn how to write the letter Q. To write the letter Q, we're actually going to do a big circle, so we're going to go all the way around, and then we're going to make a line somewhat in the middle and then go down. Just like that. Awesome, guys. Let's keep going. We'll shake it out. And now let's write a lowercase q. Now we'll make a little circle. And then we'll go down. And then once we reach the bottom, we'll do a little line up diagonally. And that's a lowercase q. Good job, guys. Now let's learn how to write the letter R. To write an uppercase R, we're going to start at the top and go all the way down to the bottom, and then go back to the top, make a little circle to the middle, and then go down to the bottom just like that. Awesome, guys. I believe in you. Now let's write a lowercase r. We're going to start at the top and go all the way to the bottom, and then go back up to the top and make a little curve to the middle. And there we go. We just wrote a lowercase r. Fantastic. Now let's learn how to write the letter S. Now to write the letter S, we're going to start at the top. And we're going to go around, kind of like a snake. Good job, guys. Awesome. That letter is cool to write. Now let's write a lowercase s. We're going to go around and around and all the way to the bottom. It's like our little snake. Fantastic job, guys. Now let's learn how to write the letter T. To write an uppercase T, we are going to start at the top and do a line straight across. And then go back up to the top and make a line straight down to the bottom. Awesome, guys. You guys did an amazing job. Now let's do a lowercase t. To write a lowercase t, we'll start at the top and go all the way down to the bottom. And then we'll do a line straight across in the middle. And that's how you write a lowercase t. Fantastic job, guys. You guys are doing amazing. Now let's learn how to write the letter U. To write an uppercase letter U, we're going to start at the top and go around all the way till we get back to the top. Just like that. Awesome, guys. You guys are doing fantastic. Now let's write a lowercase u. We're going to write it a little smaller, start at the top, and go around until we get to the top again. Just like that. Awesome, guys. We're almost there. You guys are doing such a great job. Now let's learn how to write the letter V. To write an uppercase letter V, we're going to start at the top, go a diagonal line down, and then do a diagonal line going up. And there you go. We have an uppercase V. Awesome. Now let's shake that out and let's do a lowercase v. We're just going to do a little smaller diagonal line down, and then we go up to the top. Just like that. You guys are doing such a great job. I believe in you so much. Now let's shake that out and let's learn how to write the letter W. To write an uppercase W, we're going to start at the top and do a diagonal line going down, and then we go up halfway to the middle and then go down to the bottom and go all the way back up to the top. Just like that. That one's pretty cool, isn't it? Now let's shake that out and let's do a lowercase w. We'll start at the top, go down, up, up. Just like that, guys. You guys did it. Fantastic. Now, let's learn how to write the letter X. To write an uppercase letter X, we'll start at the top, do a diagonal line going down, and then we'll go back up to the top and do another diagonal line down. And there we go. We just wrote an uppercase letter X. Now let's do a lowercase letter X. We'll start at the top, diagonal line, and we can do it anyway, but this time I started from the bottom and went up. Wasn't that pretty cool? Awesome, guys. The X is a pretty cool letter to write as well. Now let's learn how to write the letter Y. To write an uppercase letter Y, we'll start at the top, do a diagonal line going down to the middle, and then go back up to the top and do a diagonal line all the way down to the bottom. Just like that. Now let's shake that out and let's do a lowercase y. We'll start, do a diagonal line to the middle, and then go back up to the top and do a diagonal line going down. Good job, guys. You just learned how to write the letter Y. Now let's learn how to write the letter Z. So to write an uppercase Z, we're actually going to start at the top, do a line across, and then do a diagonal line down, and then go straight across. Just like that. Awesome. Now we're going to shake that out and do a lowercase z. We're just going to do a little smaller. Straight line across, diagonal down, and go straight across. You guys did awesome. You just learned how to write the letter Z. Awesome, guys. I am so proud of you. This is my smiley face. You guys keep up the good work, and you guys keep practicing, okay? And don't forget, guys, to like and subscribe for more content like this. Let's keep learning.